Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a no-bake banana cream pie. So let's get started. First, in a medium saucepan, add in the milk and place it onto the stove over a medium-high heat until it starts to boil. Meanwhile, cut up the ripe bananas into thin slices. Once the milk is starting to boil, remove it from the heat, then add in the sliced bananas and stir them in. Then let the mixture sit for 20 minutes so the banana flavor infuses into the milk. Meanwhile, you can make the crust. In a large Ziploc bag, add in the graham crackers and vanilla wafers. You can decide to use all graham crackers or you can use any crisp cookies you like. Then crush them with a rolling pin into fine crumbs. Then place them into a medium bowl and add in the melted butter and mix them together until they're well combined. Then pour the mixture into a pie pan and firmly press them in until it's well packed. Then place it into the fridge for now until it's set. After 20 minutes, pour the mixture through a sieve to strain out the bananas. Set aside the bananas for now. And pour the milk back into the saucepan. Then in a separate bowl, add in the sugar, cornstarch, and salt, and whisk them together until combined. Then add it into the saucepan and whisk it in until it's combined. Then add in the eggs and whisk them together until combined. Then place the saucepan over a medium-high heat and heat it until it just starts bubbling, whisking it occasionally to ensure it's heating evenly. When it really starts heating up, whisk it constantly until it boils. And once it's boiling, keep whisking it constantly over the heat for another minute so it really thickens and to get rid of the floury taste. And make sure you whisk it the whole time so you don't get any lumps. Then after a minute, remove it from the heat and add in the butter and vanilla extract. And mix them in until they're combined and the butter has melted into the mixture. Then pour about half of the mixture into the sliced bananas from earlier and mix them gently until it's combined. Set aside the remaining pastry cream until it has cooled completely. Then pour the banana pastry cream mixture into the chilled crust and spread it out until it's even. Wrap it in plastic wrap and refrigerate it until it's well chilled. When the other half of the pastry cream is cooled completely, you can proceed. In a small or medium bowl, add in the heavy cream and whip it until it forms a soft peaks. Then pour it into the cooled pastry cream and fold it in until it's combined. When the banana pastry cream is well chilled, remove it from the fridge and pour on the whipped pastry cream and smooth it out. Wrap it in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours until it's well chilled. And I'm choosing to add sliced bananas on top of the pie. So thinly slice a banana and toss it with some lemon or lime juice to keep it from turning brown too quickly. When the pie is well chilled, remove it from the fridge and add the sliced bananas on top for the finishing touch. And that's how to make a no-bake banana cream pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.